Hello YouTubers, today it's time for another unboxing video. Okay, let's see what we got first. These are service kits for the Primus liquid fuel pumps. We'll do a video on these in the future. Okay, let's see what's next. This is something new from Mountain House that we're going to try out. They have 3 different flavors and I ordered one of each. And this one came separate from the others. And this is international shipping from Great Britain, something Trinity ordered for a backpack that he's getting. These are side pouches for a backpack that Trinity ordered, which I'll unbox when that comes in. Silencer for the Omnilight TI. Those stoves are extremely loud and these cut back on some of that noise. I got a video coming out eventually on that particular stove. And some Mountain House turkey dinners for future camping trips. And the other 2 flavors of these. And I'll be doing a video about them soon. Got another package coming from by UPS, which they're always late getting here, and I'll film that part when it gets here. Okay, UPS finally decided to show up, so let's see what's in this one. This is a suspension kit for hanging the Primus stoves. Oh, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.